Hello everyone, my name is Robin Wu with TVU Networks, one of the product managers here. And today I'm going to showcase to you some of our latest achievements, starting with TVU Replay. So what you see here on screen, it's actually fortunate that we have someone throwing the basketball behind here. It's our instant replay solution. What's different about it is that it allows for an unlimited amount of collaborators to join in the creation of replay clips. Anyone can scan that QR code on an iPhone, a MacBook, or an iPad and join in this interface and all create clips together. So right now I have this connected to a MacBook. So what's good about it is that it doesn't need any hard on-site servers, things that you need to lug around. An iPad and a MacBook will do. And we also have hardware integration with Skahoy or anything else really. So I would try to create a replay clip right here of him throwing the basketball. Let's see. There, I'll set that as the mark out point. After I've set in the mark in and mark out point, I'll select which camera angle that I want. Using the T-bar, I can dynamically adjust the slow motion of the replay playback. As you can see, it's indicated by the UI there. And if you drop this down to 0, it will play a frozen frame for certain seconds on the PGM output. And after I'm happy with what I've created, I can either save it for later usage or I can cut it immediately to program by pressing the two different buttons. So I'll cut it to program. And as you can see here, this is our program control room, the TVU producer. This is the clip that I have just created and it's already playing there. And of course, this determines, this doesn't have to be the case. The operator of replay and producer can be the same person or two different people. What else is cool is that we have this new AI frame interpolation service. What it does is it takes a 60-second or however many second per second video, find the differences between two frames and insert the average frame in between so that we can turn a low FPS video into a high FPS video, giving you smooth slow motion playback without a high-speed camera. And here is a sample video that we took earlier today. Let's scroll back here. This is just a 60 frame per second video, and we made it 120 frames. And as you can see, slowing that down is a lot more smooth than you would expect with a 60 frame per second video. Also, we have, while I cannot demonstrate on this booth, on the next booth over there, we have the AI automatic replay creation tool, which is every time we detect a change in the scoreboard, say if the guest team is right now score 6, if that changes from 6 to 7, we can create an instant replay clip based on that. One final thing that's very cool about TVU Replay are these macros that you can set up before the game. So I know that it's always a crunch every time a score happens to get the replay out immediately. But what we can do with this is we do our homework before the game. We set up presets and macros. So this would mean camera number 2, mark in 7 seconds before I click the button and 2 seconds before I click the button to mark out. You can mark out manually as well if you wish to. That way, once you have your homework done before the game, during the game, all you have to do is press one button and the clip will be created for you. So you can possibly have an away team score, a home team score, a celebration macro preset so that even the untrained operators can very quickly generate an instant replay clip. So this has been a quick introduction of TVU Replay, and now I'll move on to the other services that we have. What we have here is the TVU Media Hub. You can think of TVU Media Hub as an online XY video router. So I know most TV stations have the 64 by 64 or 128 by 128 routers. It requires a lot of hard wiring, and once you set up the matrix, it's difficult to adjust the configuration again. What we do here is that no longer exists. All you have to do is drag and drop. Drag and drop. It is an unlimited by unlimited amount online router. On the left-hand side are all the input sources, and on the right-hand side are all the different output destinations that you can have. And what we have here is actually an output project, one project. The morning show, you can have an HLS stream. You can also have Facebook YouTube, Twitter, ISSP, SRT, RTMP, all sorts of output and input protocols. And our slogan for TVU Media Hub is anything in, anything out. We can take in any sort of video input and put out any sort of video input. So, things like Zoom, NDI, SDI input, SDI output, we can take all of that. So, yeah, and this has been a quick demo of our latest achievements at TVU Networks, and thank you very much.